I'm sharing no sugar, no milk, skin glowing smoothie. So let's get to the recipe. To make this, firstly, I'm taking a small mixer grinder. I'm adding all the things into this. Firstly, I'm add 1 tablespoon of rolled soaked oats as it reduces the content of phytates for better assimilation of food. Next, I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoon of papaya. Add 1 or half banana of frozen, it's your choice. Now I'm adding 2 dry dates. Honestly, I don't have dates. That's why I'm using these dry dates. If you have, you can definitely use the fresh dates. Okay, now for flavor, I'm adding cinnamon stick, and lastly add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds for its incredible health benefits. Add water, and it's time for what? It's time to blend all it into a smooth, creamy smoothie. Now our healthy smoothie is ready to serve. Pour it into a serving glass. I am topping this smoothie with papaya as papaya is good for skin, help in better digestion, improve heart health and strengthen immune system. Add some pumpkin seeds. Lastly, I'm adding some chia seeds and your rich in vitamins, antioxidants, protein and minerals smoothie is ready to enjoy. Please do subscribe to my channel. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.